Are you preparing for DSA interviews? This is day 6 of LeetCode POTD challenge. Today we have an easy question, and it is find the original typed string. Alice is attempting to type a specific string on a computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. Although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she is aware that she may still have done this at most once. You are given a string word which represents the final output displayed on the Alice's screen. Return the total number of possible original strings that Alice might have intended to type. Now let's move on to the whiteboard and see a solved example and try to build the logic to solve this question. So here we have the word ABB 4 times C, and there are 5 possible strings that Alice might have intended to type. The first one is exactly the same, and here we include that there was no long presses by Alice. The second one is ABB-CC. Here the long press was at the third C. In the third case, we have long press at second C. In fourth case, we have long press at first C. And in fifth case, we have long press at the first B. Now, one thing to note here is that long press happens exactly at most once. So either the long press does not happen or it happens only once. The observations that we can have from this solved solution is that 4 consecutive C's have contributed to 3 possible strings, and 2 consecutive B's have contributed to 1 possible strings, and 1 string was contributed because we include the case when there were no long presses. The solution to this is very easy. So we initiate the answer as 1 because we know that there can be no long presses, and then for every consecutive element, for every x consecutive element, we have x minus 1 contributions made from those elements towards the intended strings that Alice was trying to type. So this is my C++ solution. I've initiated my answer as 1, and I've iterated from 0th index to the n-1th index, and I'm checking at each index if my character at that index and the next index are same. If that is the case, I'm adding 1 to my answer, and at the end, I'm returning this answer variable.